These are like the most expensive card decks ever. I got these from Best Self. I did another unboxing from Best Self of their card decks. These, I believe, are new, or at least they're new to me since I last checked their website. So we have relationship journals, which has 2 journals and a guidebook, and then we have date deck. So date deck was $15, and in theory, these are like lighthearted and fun, whereas I'm guessing the relationship journals are like heavy and I don't want to say depressing, but sometimes, I mean, I don't know. I'm not one of those people that like talks about their relationship a lot and tries to deepen it. Maybe I should be, but I don't know. Sometimes when it's too serious, it's like, it's not fun anymore. And then when it's not fun, it's just because something I dread, right? I know you guys are like, you need to grow up, Lisa, and have serious adult conversations. But I guess, you know, because I don't have children, maybe I can kind of get away with it. We don't really have to be that serious. All right, a tool that sparks meaningful conversations with your special someone. So let's move this to the side and let's see what we have. Oh, I think these are directions. How to use the connection that comes from meaningful, blah, 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 blah. Okay. 1, pick cards at random or play the date deck game. Oh, what is the date deck game? At one end of the spectrum, break the ice cards, dive just beyond small talk. These questions are worth 1 point each. At the other end, expose cards invite more vulnerability and are worth 5 points each. Choose and answer questions, tally up your score from the numbers that are on the back of the cards. First one up to 30 points wins. So I guess it's just random, either on 1, what kind of card you pick, or 2, whether or not you answer the question. So here are the ones. Oh, it tells you right in front what the points are worth. So we have 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s that are differentiated by color. So let's look at a 1. What's the craziest thing you've ever done? Okay, I mean, that's like, I don't even know the craziest thing I've ever done. What movie do you enjoy the most? What movie do you enjoy that most people don't? Oh, I don't know. Probably Twilight. Although, as soon as I say that, tons of people are like, I like Twilight too. Okay. What's something you feel grateful for today? Okay, that's a cheesy girly question. Let's look at 2. What do you wish we did more of? Oh, that's like a we statement where if you're just dating, that might be a little too soon. But my answer is always, I wish we went out for ice cream more. What do you need from me when you're tired or stressed? Again, these are kind of like deep relationship questions. I would just say a nice neck massage, or a scalp massage. What makes you feel safe in our relationship? I don't know. That's again a really deep question. I think for someone that's just kind of fun dating, how could we make our relationship more exciting? Ooh, that implies that it's boring. I guess going out on the town. I don't know, playing dress up. When do you hide out? Again, that's a really deep question, and I actually don't hide out. How can I make you feel more satisfied? Again, ice cream is the answer. What do you think I take for granted? That's kind of a deep question. What side of you am I yet to see? Oh, I guess that's okay, because these are the 5s that are the deep questions. What side of you am I yet to see? I don't know. That might scare people. What part of you do you struggle to accept? Well, I mean, are these, I feel like these crossed from like being fun and flirty to just deep and depressing. And again, maybe I just have like a warped sense of like what relationships should be. At this point, like, I feel like if it's work, I just don't want to do it. It's not worth it. I have so many other things that are so hard that I'm working at. I don't want to have to work at that. All right, let's move on to relationship journals. Okay, so I'm guessing there's 2 journals of just blank pages for each person to write their ideas. And then there is, what did it say? The guides, a guide that will guide them through that. Let's go ahead and open this up. It says relationship journals, elevate your relationship, improve your understanding, resolve conflicts and create wins, transform your communication, cultivate intimacy, create a shared vision. All right, let's, how do I open this? I thought it just fell. Oh no, it opens up like a book. All right, from couple to partnership. Becoming a better partner is an ongoing pursuit. This online experience, oh, it's online, is here to guide you both as you complete your relationship journals together. 13-week program that guides you through the relationship framework. Make relationship work not feel like work. Yeah, good point, because at first I was like, I don't want to work on this. Built on proven relationship coaching practices and techniques, bonus interactive exercises with practical takeaways, and great for people who learn best through video and audio. It has a little QR code and the website. Welcome to your relationship journals. Do I have all this in the photo? Yeah. Let's see what you'll find inside. Yeah. We know that. And here we go. Oh, here's the quick. So dating. So it's for people who are dating, people who are married, and people who are engaged. Wow. Look how PC they are. They have like all types of couples. Okay. The only thing missing from here is a polyamorous couple, which then I guess you'd have to make like a special order of 10 journals. Let's see. Each person starts the session in their journal. Read guidebook together, 1 chapter per week. Each person completes the relationship exercise in their journal. Share and discuss. Each person completes the exercise check-in in their journals. So let's see what is in this journal. Read before you get started. This is a lot of stuff. Okay, so there are 13 weeks. Relationship snapshot, our love story, love and translation, our ideal world, cultivating appreciation, sum of strengths, conflicts and fears, empowered requests, communication issues, listening and boundaries, sex and intimacy, goals and dreams, shared values and synergy, and then state of the union. Showing up and doing the work. Okay, we read that quick start guide. Using relationship journals. Let's see, building a solid foundation. We might just skim through this. This is really long. So, oh, there's a nice little bookmark. Honesty, meaning, peace, physical well-being, universal needs. This is for week 8, even though it's in week 3, but that's okay. Autonomy, connection. So let's look. I bet all these are set up the same. So we have a purpose. We have some explanation of that purpose. We have love languages. We have love deposits. We have a quick exercise. And if you do what you did in the beginning, there wouldn't be an end. Love and translation. What is this? Read each set of expressions. Love deposit examples. And then we go on to number 4, our ideal world purpose. The masculine partner might say this, the feminine partner might say that. Oh, I like that. I didn't even notice that. It doesn't say the man, doesn't say the woman, just said someone who assumes, I guess, those traditional gender roles. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. Our ideal world example, cultivating appreciation. So actually, now that I'm looking, this isn't bad. I like this 1,000 times better than the date deck. So the date deck seems like it's like those hard questions that you need to put on Tinder or Hinge and like make yourself seem way more interesting than you possibly really are. And so that's what that reminded me of. But I do like this. I like this way better. Okay, so let's see the State of the Union. What is that about? State of the Union. You completed all 13 exercises. No peeking back on the relationship status on page 12 until after you've completed the snapshot. All right, so I guess it's just a snapshot. Oh, we wanted to look at, what did the postcard say? The postcard said universal needs. So that was number, it said 8, right? 7 and 8, empowered requests. Oh, here we go. Universal needs, 7 universal needs: connection, physical well-being, honesty, play, peace, autonomy, and meaning. So the chart in your guidebook bookmark shows the needs correlated to each one. Make a request, state objectively what needed, state how this makes you feel, connect it to a universal need, make a request. Oh, I guess so. If your request is, I need to know where you've been, that appeals to my universal need for honesty. I'm guessing. I don't know. Or I want to go out this weekend to something or a play or hiking. That appeals to my universal need of play. I think that's what this means. All right. So let's look at these journals. Look at that. We have a feminine and a masculine color. We have a blue and a red. So you, us, me. And inside of here, Actually, this lays pretty flat. I'm very impressed. Sometimes with these bindings, they don't lay as flat. And okay, so we have a repeat of some of those other things. Oh, this is nice. So it just kind of repeats what's in the guide, because I was going to say it's really hard if only one person can have the guidebook. So I guess you read the guidebook. There's those videos you can do together. Peaks and valleys. What areas are you and your partner aligned? Exercise check-in. Love meter. So I like this. Will Ben do this with me? I don't know. I will let you know how that goes. I think 12 weeks is like hardcore. Maybe like every once a month might be more realistic. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep these. I was thinking about returning these because I was like, I'll just do the unboxings. These will be cheesy, but I think these are actually pretty meaningful. Let me know what you thought. This is very unique. I have not seen anyone who's done this and done it well. Like, I'm very impressed with this because I thought it would just, sometimes when you get things, and I've been reading so many habit goal setting books, they're kind of cheesy. They're really fluffy. Some of them I feel like are just making stuff up. I'm like, you don't know what you're talking about. But this actually feels like they did some real actual work into this. So I'm excited to check out these videos as well. So let me know what, and I said that already, let me know what you thought. Remember, if you would like to make your own planner, journal, or notebook, sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. You found this fun, and I will talk to you later.